I've had a lot of history with these amazing self-watering and protected veggie garden beds. I can wax lyrical about them for ages. Great features and benefits. As a matter of fact, there are a lot of features that aren't seen to the eye. So today, I'm going to take you through step by step, showing you how easy it is to assemble and showing you each benefit. Now, there are copycats out there, so please go for the original and go for the best, the Vegepod. They come in 3 sizes, and today we're showing the medium. You'll notice firstly the bases are built and just how deep they are. A full foot of soil growing depth for proper gardening. Good enough for even the biggest of root veggies. And the walls, they just click together like big pieces of Lego. And slipping ever so easily into these bases we've just built is this key hidden treasure. They are the self-watering wicking trays. Now, these sit inside these very large reservoirs of water that can last up to 4 weeks with no rain in any Aussie summer. That's really clever. In they go. Now, what happens if you get too much rain or too much water? A very clever overflow hole here so you don't bog up and drown your roots. Now we move to the other key feature that has become synonymous with the famous Vegepod, the pest protection and microclimate canopy. Strong but light components that elegantly pop together with a commercial-grade farming mesh right over the top. The canopy is critical. It lets all the good stuff in but keeps all the bad stuff out. In with the light, in with the air, in with the rain, but out with the big pests and small pests alike, out with the weeds and out with harsh weather. Now, we swing it back like this very easily and it holds, so whilst you work with the plants, it stays in place. What happens if you get really extreme heat and really extreme cold? Well, Vegepod have us covered there too with these optional covers. And look inside the canopy, another hidden piece of magic. Australian-made misters that simply connect to your hose. You don't even have to lift the canopy to water. Like the rest of the Vegepod, there are no tools, strength or skill set required to assemble the trolley. It comes with its own Allen key, and Vegepod's online support videos really make it a breeze. A screw here, a turn there, the rust-proof industrial wheels twist in. Hey presto, you have a medium Vegepod on a trolley stand. Now just fill it with soil and you have an amazing veggie garden that hits almost all pain points of vegetable growing that you can think of. Happy growing.